Hello there, welcome to your Wednesday evening weather update from the Met Office. High heat sometimes comes with thunderstorms. In fact, that will be the case for some places through the next 24 hours. The Met Office has issued a warning for thunderstorms extending into the evening across Scotland, and then this pushes down towards Northern Ireland as we head through the night and into Thursday. Now, these thunderstorms will be hit and miss, but if you catch one, you are likely to see some torrential downpours, the risk of some gusty winds with some heavier downpours, and also hail as well as thunder and lightning. And this warning extends till 10 p.m. But as I said, many areas could see just some dry weather, some sunshine. And then on Friday, high pressure builds from the Atlantic. This will mean a bit of an onshore breeze across more eastern areas into Friday and the weekend. We're chasing clouds here and it turns quite gusty down towards the southwest. More about that in a moment. Notice a few showers across the near continent. We could see one or two across eastern counties through this evening, one or two also just moving in across Wales, the West Country. Notice these heavier downpours with that thunder risk extending towards Orkney overnight. So a quieter spell of weather where you have seen those showers across Scotland, but they will return. Temperatures then, well, on the high side, it's going to be a muggy night, uncomfortable for sleeping. Into tomorrow morning. Well, first of all, let's pick up on where the cloud is. Early doors, we'll see cloud across Shetland, Orkney, down towards the eastern side of Northern Ireland. That's Har, low cloud burning back to the coast. More cloud also further west, and a few showers just lurking out there as well. One or two heavier pulses can't be ruled out, but they are very scattered. Now, further east, some brighter weather to start the day, some sunshine as well. So through the day, we watch as these showers develop, particularly through the afternoon. Sunshine for many. The cloud, though, could just come and go across Wales, the Midlands, the south of northern England towards eastern counties. Either side, some sunny spells. But notice then through the afternoon, some showers developing, particularly across eastern areas of Scotland. They could turn torrential, so some high rainfall totals associated with some of these more intense bursts. And as I said, the risk of thunder, lightning and hail, gusty winds as well. Now, further south, the scattering of showers can't be ruled out, particularly for Wales into northern England. Brighter skies towards the southeast with some warmth in the air, certainly very warm as temperatures rise through the afternoon, and warm elsewhere with some sunshine, but always more in the way of clouds across that western side of Scotland. Now, these showers could merge to form a longer spell of rain through into the latter part of the afternoon. The cloud will break up across central parts of England and Wales, but still one or two showers just lurking out there. As temperatures arrive, well, we're going to say 28 across eastern England, 29 across the home counties. For mid-Wales, probably 25 Celsius, 23 down towards the southwest. And for Scotland, probably a 24 at the very best, 23 for Northern Ireland. But this warning extends till 10 p.m. And despite the fact most places will be dry, if you catch a heavy shower, it could be impactful, hence the reason why we do have a yellow warning for thunderstorms in place. So here's your picture through Thursday evening. Those thunderstorms tending to fade away as we see clearer skies. And then high pressure builds from the west. Notice this wind just picking up across the eastern strip of Scotland down towards eastern England. And it turns rather breezy also down towards the West Country into Friday. But for most, Friday's a fine day with some sunshine. One or two showers again developing across more northern and eastern areas. They'll be fairly scattered and the cloud will break at times. But notice there's always quite a lot of cloud across the North Sea. So temperatures probably pegged back a bit for eastern Scotland, northeast England, 21, 22. 26 for East Yorkshire down towards East Anglia, but still up into the 30s. Midlands down towards the southeast, East Wales 29, and up a tad also for the West Country as well as southern parts of Wales. You could see a 28 here. For Northern Ireland, it's a mostly fine day with 22 or 23 Celsius. But this wind will be a feature of the weather through into the weekend, and it will keep temperatures slightly lower across these parts. Into Friday evening, you can see where that mass of cloud is. It will break at times, but it could roll in towards the Midlands, eastern and central parts of Scotland, down towards the southeast, clearer skies across Wales, West Wales, should I say, the West Country, Northern Ireland, western parts of Scotland into Saturday morning. So a few things to note on Saturday. First of all, it's going to feel cooler along this eastern strip. That cloud could be quite stubborn in places. Notice one or two light little residual showers associated with it where the cloud is thick enough. And notice also over the moors we could see quite a gusty wind on Saturday, as well as the hills of southern parts of Wales. So the wind will be a feature of the weather here. The cloud will break up through the day across Scotland. We could hang on to more cloud across the far north, and notice that thicker cloud could be quite stubborn across Lincolnshire, Norfolk, even Suffolk, as the cloud burns back across the Midlands through the day. Here are your temperatures then on Saturday, probably 21 to 29 Celsius. The highest temperatures through the weekend will always be towards the west, and that's where we'll see the best of any sunshine. I'll see you later.